Keep walking, sir. You guys are about to get in an argument. I don't want you guys to get in an argument.
No, I'm just telling her where she needs to be.
Don't grab me.
Don't you
Don't grab me.
I will wake you up.
September 19th, 2023, Orlando International Airport, Florida.
That's probably the girl.
That's probably her.
Okay, hey, Ryan, you'll grab her.
Do you know, are you married?
Oh, you don't know too much English, so he came out of nowhere and pushed him for, so he was walking normally and he came out of nowhere, he's drunk. We denied him boarding until the next day.
Okay.
But he came out of nowhere, came up to him and pushed him over.
Did he get rebooked?
We did rebook them for tomorrow.
O sea, en ningún momento me dijo nada.
He's saying that he didn't say nothing to him, he just came out of nowhere and pushed him.
Where did this, like, was he fumbling or did he just,
No, he was just walking.
like, ask him if he was following
¿O tú
or
te
did he,
estaba, él se
like,
estaba cayendo o él estaba caminando como normal?
No, yo creo que tenía como los brazos abiertos.
Oh, he said that he came out with his hands wide open towards him.
De espalda y él viene por atrás de mí. I'm sorry.
where did it happen at?
¿Dónde pasó?
Does he want to press charges?
Frente a la puerta que yo estaba mirando la lámpara. En esa
Oh, he
puerta.
was in front of 12, that door with alarm. You know when you go downstairs?
Yeah.
Right there.
Show me.
¿Tú quieres pasar? ¿Tú le quieres dar cargo? He said he don't want to press charges. He just wanted to explain to you what happened and that's it.
Okay, you don't want to do anything?
Yep.
So they were, I put them on the flight for tomorrow. This is them. I can get their date of birth if you need it. But
What's their,
I'll have to log into the system for the date of birth, but that's supposedly then that's the ones that they gave me. The tickets that they gave me.
Christian and
Airport 5. I'll be out of signal 13 in Cargo.
Benjamin? That's a Benjamin?
That's what I was trying to figure out. Maybe the girl is Christian?
yeah. What's the flight number?
193, CB51 in the back.
1052.
Where's it going?
Charlotte.
We just want to ask him that.
Yeah, so that ended up just being some like incidental, not like a criminal type thing, because he's drunk and falling all over the place.
That possibly, he said he's had his hands up, so I'm like,
Okay.
he said he didn't want to even fill out a statement. Hey, boss. Hey, boss. You alright? Hey, buddy. Wake up. Wake up. Come back to us. You okay? You okay? Oh, wake up. Hey, there you go. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, it's police.
Police, how you doing?
Oh, yeah, hey.
Hey, no thank you.
No, you're good.
You gotta go.
Yeah,
Come
you're
on.
good.
Come on, we'll help you up.
Come on.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Come on. Come on.
You're good.
All right,
Pick up your stuff.
grab your bag. Grab your.
So I'm just waking up.
Sorry.
Yeah, I see that.
Here, get your charger.
Get your wires.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
You gotta get
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just waking up.
All right, cool.
Can you tell my wife?
She's over here.
He's over there.
Hey, Chrissy, what's this?
Nope, over here, over here.
Is that no, wrong person?
No, I know. I'm seeing her.
No, that's a guy.
She's over here.
Over here.
No, that's what I'm looking at.
Oh, there you go.
Chrissy, what's this?
Come on, no,
No,
get up.
come on, get
Nope,
up.
this way.
We're going out.
We gotta go this way.
We're going out.
Come on, Chrissy.
Stand up. Stand up, man. Come on.
Chrissy, you okay, baby? You okay?
We just gotta walk. Nothing to be scared about. We just gotta walk.
Hey, Chrissy, come on.
We just gotta walk. Do you want to carry that for him? You seem a lot more sober. Come on. We just gotta walk.
Tell my daddy.
That's all we gotta do.
No, don't be. It's gonna be okay. It's some bull. It's okay.
They rescheduled you guys for tomorrow, so just, you got your board passes for tomorrow?
No, we were supposed
Hey, don't talk to him.
Okay. Just Hey, I'm trying to help you out there, Ben.
Huh?
You're not in any trouble. I'm just trying to help you out.
I don't know you.
My name's Chris.
My name's Ben.
All right, nice to meet you. Now we know each other. So I'm trying to help you
Actually,
out.
I seen you on the YouTube about 3 weeks ago.
Oh, maybe you did. Yeah.
I'm
So
trying to be very nice to the gentleman behind me.
Don't be.
Can we...
You just stick with me.
everybody's got to be nice. He's a nice guy.
Oh no, we're all nice guys. You too.
Yeah, we're just trying to help you
You and
out.
I are getting along very well.
Hey, Chrissy,
Absolutely.
Babe,
stay with your husband.
They rebooked you guys. We don't want to see y'all like get put on there not be fly with. So as long as we get out of here.
No, we're okay. I don't know what y'all are up to, but we're
They
okay.
called us because you were passed out.
Huh?
They called us because you were passed out. Here we go. We could train.
I came out of the bathroom and the officer was waiting for me to talk to me about you.
Talk to you about me? Which one? Point him out to me. Is it him?
Yeah.
Is it him?
No.
Who is it?
I'm not telling you.
Oh, it's one of these. We'll take care of it.
It's not.
Hey, we'll take
It's
care of
not
it.
either one of these men.
Hey, we'll take care of it.
They've been instructed course.
Hey, we'll take care of it. You hear me?
It's
Don't
not
let-
either one of these men.
Don't let these guys intimidate you. You hear me?
I'm not.
Alright. Because these guys don't know what we go through on a daily basis. It's our job. You know what I mean? They have no idea what we go through. So don't let them,
Neither one of these men were the ones that came to me outside the restaurant.
did somebody do something to you outside the restaurant?
No, they just made sure I was okay when I came out of the restaurant.
But like these guys, they didn't hurt your feelings?
Neither one of these, no.
Then I respect that,
They've
and they're
been
both
very
okay.
respectful of me.
Hey, you've been
I don't
very
shake your hands.
You don't shake my hand?
I don't
What,
want
you
to.
too good for me?
Hey, Ben.
You too good for me?
If you want to.
Huh?
Hey, hey.
Focus on the transport.
Yeah, I see that, but this thinks it's too good for me.
No, I don't want to shake your hand. Just get on the tram.
I got this.
Respect your wife.
I do.
Get on the tram. Have a seat. Don't fall over. Or don't. Whatever you want.
No, you don't want to shake my hand.
I don't want to shake your hand. As simple as that.
Ben, you lost me. No, you focus on the
handrail. The doors are now closing.
they're not doing anything to me or to
Stand
you.
clear of doors and hold on to handrails.
Hey,
The doors are now closing.
Why that hard job?
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails.
So
When
you
the
just
safely stops,
keep it
please
chill.
follow the signs that display
It's my right.
Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 9. Well, this will end up everybody knows. If you're a resident, welcome home. If you're one of our nearly 70 million, welcome to the city.
I think the situation is way more than what it actually.
No, you don't understand.
No, I can't.
Enjoy your visit. Everything that this will end
You're messing up. You're messing up. Is that where you want to be?
I think if you just be like, rainbows, butterflies, sprinkles. No, I think if you keep it chill, you'll be
Please stand clear of doors and hold on to handrails. When the safely stops, please exit and
When the
follow
doors are going to
signs.
be opening up behind you, I just need you to step out of them.
Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
I think you need to turn and keep it, be like,
I actually think I agree with her.
The doors are
see,
now
he said
open.
he thinks he agrees with
I think I agree with her. Step out these doors, sir.
Come on, let's
Step out these doors. Take a left.
Take your husband's side.
No, I think you need to keep it like.
Chrissy, stop. Chrissy, you need to stop. Don't talk to her without representation.
You don't have to step. Here you go, sir.
Stop it.
Sir, you can keep on going.
And you will if you do what you're
Sir, keep
supposed
walking.
to do.
Keep walking, sir. You guys are about to get in an argument. I don't want you guys to get in an argument.
No, I'm just
I just
telling
want you to
her
keep
where
walking,
she
sir.
needs to be.
Don't grab me.
Don't you
Don't grab me.
I will break you out.
Hold on.
I got this right.
Okay.
I got this right. Finn, you're breathing. You're yelling at us.
As far as I can.
Finn,
Because I can't breathe, you goddamn.
if you relax, catch your breath, okay? Relax, catch your breath. Stop moving around.
Chrissy, help me. Call my dad. Call my district authority father. I can't breathe.
Take her over there.
Chrissy, I can't breathe. I can't breathe, Chrissy.
Take her in there. Here. Right.
That's heart failure, you.
Yeah, what's that?
Look, this one.
Stop proving my fucking thing forward.
We'll stay right here.
Headquarters, can you notify ARF just get this guy checked out?
He's making himself hyperventilate. Can you sit him up?
Sit him up?
Bring his legs around.
Then we're gonna sit you up.
Sit up.
Nope, never mind.
Oh, you want to get rough
Leave
with
him
me?
like that. Leave him like that.
I don't give a
Leave him like
you're
that.
still above.
Position. Leave him sideways.
Stop fighting. Stop fighting. We're gonna get him to the car, get him checked out.
Car, but
That's about it.
we have a car at the curb.
I had a car, but
A cage car.
I'm next to United.
United, that's fine.
That's it.
Hey Ben, we got to get you out to a car so the fire department can check you out. Are you going to walk, or do we have to carry you? Ben. Never mind. We got a chair we can put him in. Here, right there. Right inside there. It's like a rehash from last night.
He's just, it's like, don't get in a fight with your wife. And then next thing you know, he's just, wait, push me?
Lock the wheels.
Yes, please. The back. On my head. On my wrist. I can't breathe.
You need the fire department?
No.
Somebody got his head.
Sit up in the seat. There you go, sit all the way back.
Pull him up. Get underneath his arms. Just get him off. There you go.
Oh, you grabbed my wrist!
Sit down, man. Sit down.
No, dude, you mother attacking me!
I'm gonna spray you.
You're attacking me! Oh, my wrist!
Relax.
My left wrist!
Relax.
My left wrist! My left wrist! My left wrist!
Stop
My
fighting us.
left wrist!
Stop fighting us, you're gonna get sprayed.
Spray me, you goddamn! You're not gonna.
Let go of my hand.
You're
Let
not,
go of my hand.
You're not gonna move to me.
No.
Oh,
Please
yeah.
stop. Please stop.
Choke me, kill
Please
me.
stop. Let's go. Let's roll. Okay? Let's roll.
Let's go. We'll hook him.
Ow!
Take
My
that off.
left wrist!
Take that brake off.
My left wrist! Please help my left wrist! Please help my left wrist!
Just keep him down like that.
I'll be still if you help my left wrist! I'll be still if you help my left wrist!
Get out of the way.
Ah! You please still found my left wrist!
Hey Frankie, clear away.
Got a scratch on my face? I feel it.
Please help my left wrist! I'll shoot all you motherfuckers! My guns!
Just relax. Stop fighting us.
Please let go of myself.
I can feel yourself pushing up against my hand.
I'm not.
Okay, so I just need you to relax.
I'm letting loose.
I need you to relax. Stop pushing. You're constantly fighting us.
I'm letting loose.
My side clear.
I don't know what you're telling me. Ow! Ow! Please help me! Please help me! Please help me! Oh, please! Ow! Oh, that's my ball!
Ben, now you can sit down.
And that's it. Have a seat. That's it.
You goddamn queer's pissing this other.
Okay, have a good one. Relax. Sit back. That's it.
I'll give you that. You've been cool with me.
Be quiet.
I've been cool with you.
Yeah, you have. Okay. It's these other motherfuckers behind you that.
I get it. Just sit up. Sit up. Great.
These pieces
I got
behind
it.
you that have.
Ben,
Relax.
Ben, are you injured?
Hey, can you
Are you injured?
Yes.
Where?
This wrist right here.
Okay, just from the handcuff.
Yeah, this wrist right here.
Okay.
Not this right one, but this one.
Tight?
I know you don't give.
I'm asking you.
These Tom molesting motherfuckers who do it.
All right, it's over. That's it.
All right, it's over.
No. My dad's Glenn.
Okay, well, you can call your dad at a
No.
later time, okay?
Oh, you're goddamn right I am.
Okay.
You're gonna be writing statistic on the. Because you don't guys on me, you goddamn piece of.
All right, no, that's it.